Got my plug, moment of truth. Got it hooked up. Now remember, there's going to be 3 things. There's 1 that's gold and 2 that's silver. I hooked it up to 2 silver ones. See, silver right there. Silver on the inside, the 2 silver ones. I hooked it up to 2 silver ones. The gold one farthest, it's marked. I can't zoom in, but it has them marked. It has them marked up at the top. 1. See right there a little bit. 1, 2, and 3. So hook it up to 1 and 2. Let there be light. Oh! Voila. Oh yeah. And that's the connector where I hooked it up to. Right in there. Overview. You see? HDMI, the power block, where the power connects into. Boom. Right there. And that's the one I hooked it into. Connects to that.